There's that Wolo 345 ice cream truck. You said, do I want something from this ice cream truck?
Van 5 MPO.
We'll probably get some from this ice cream truck right here. Yes. This is a Wolo 345 ice cream truck. Yeah. I don't have no $20 left. No, I don't.
After these three, you need 3 more.
The thing is, you put the speaker right here. We have an ice cream truck at this railroad crossing right here. It's just new. Hey, excuse me. Do y'all?
How you doing, bro?
Do y'all use Cash App?
Just cash, my friend.
Oh, just only cash?
Yes. Yeah, cash. No business, man. It's charge more money if I cash you.
Well, my granny has cash. I'm an action. There it is, right there. I'm about to get some from this Wolo 345 ice cream truck. She has the wallet right here. I'm surprised this. What?
A box of 20. Take a picture.
What? Is that? Is that a boxing thing?
Yeah, I sell it. I trade in boxing.
Which one are you talking about?
Yeah, what you like?
I would just take.
Get one of them. That's how much?
Those are
$4.
$4. It's our price.
$4.
Yeah, the other ice cream took $5. I'm the cheapest one.
Wait, what you got for $1, $2?
No,
What you
not
change?
more for $1.
Nothing.
Well, I had to find cracker union, but I keep it away for the children. They cry too much, the children. Well, I keep it away for the little children, not for the adults. No.
What you say?
Yeah, 5 crackers for $1, but I already threw it away. Yeah.
Bomb pop, ain't no $5. How much is it?
Yeah, it's bump up, but I come in a little. But I don't have it. I keep it away.
You don't have it.
I got.
Okay, we'll take in a strawberry shortcake.
So
We getting the whole box.
We'll take a strawberry shortcake.
I don't know who they are or not. I'm counting this chain because I don't have no cash.
There's Wolo 345 right there.
I don't have no cash. I'm counting chain.
The speaker's right here.
They don't pay for it.
I'm surprised this is a Wolo 345 ice cream truck that just came over here.
That's $1.
That's a dollar.
Ain't that $1?
it's $3.
Okay, this is $1. I'm counting it out.
Yeah,
That's $1.
that's true.
It's $2.
And that's $2.
And I got Pepsi for $1.50.
Do you have any $1 ice
A
cream?
pet. A Pesby for $1.50. Okay.
They don't have no
$2.50 the cheapest one here.
Do you take cash out?
It's cash.
No, he only take cash only. He don't take cash out.
Come on, pick that up there.
You only got $1.
See, they ain't got no money, they got coin. See if that's $1. Wait a minute. I ain't tell you to give him that.
Wait. You got an extra money here.
I know, because he gave it to you.
Wait, hold on. And this ice cream man is different. It says this is a Chevrolet van for Wolo 345. And this dude have a box of glove inside the truck.
Thank you.
A boxing glove inside the
Thank
truck.
you.
Okay. This ice cream truck's a professional boxer. Well, at least this ice cream truck came before we had the chance to catch this train in here in Thompson Lane. This is the Thompson Lane ice cream truck right here with a Wolo 345. This looks familiar to the one Wolo 345 ice cream truck I used to see. They usually place their speaker on the front, but they have a speaker right here. And it just turned off their music. And it just turned off the music. Replayed their music from the first. It's small world. Goodbye, ice cream truck. Wolo 345 ice cream truck. See you guys later. Goodbye.